Hi, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System which is powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the speaking of Paramveer's candidate name Paramveer Singh and candidate number 111110. Are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about yourself, Paramveer?
I am an extrovert person. I always love to make friends whenever I go somewhere. Also, I am good at studies. I got 75% in my academics. Also, I love to keep pets.
Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually love to play video games or some other leisure activities like watching a movie or any series in my laptop. Moreover, if I got some extra time after that, I would love to cook something.
Okay. Who does normally cooking at your home?
My mother usually cooks at my home. She makes a very delicious food.
Okay. Do you prefer to eat more restaurant food or homemade food?
I would love to eat homemade food as it is full of nutrients and it is a healthy food. If we compare both the foods, I will definitely say that homemade food is better than restaurant.
Okay. What is balanced diet according to you?
A balanced diet, according to me, should be full of nutrients and minerals. It should contain some amount of non-vegetarian and vegetarian food. According to me, if I have to take some things to put in my balanced diet, I will definitely put meat and eggs, and also a banana and a.
Why do you think it is important to have a balanced diet?
To maintain healthy and keep our metabolism good, we should take a healthy diet. Although everyone is not aware of it, but we should take it.
Okay. How could you improve your eating habits?
Firstly, by not consuming much of the street foods, as it is not really healthy. So we should have the homemade food to keep ourselves healthy, and second, to improve our healthy eating habits, we should consider some better options than the outside food.
Do you consider your diet as a balanced diet?
Sometimes I consider my diet as a balanced diet, but sometimes whenever there is some occasions or festivals, something goes off balance as we eat something outside food.
Okay. Okay, I'll put you some questions related to your childhood and neighbors.
Okay, sir.
Did you enjoy your childhood?
I enjoyed my childhood a lot, as my residence is not in the urban areas, it is in the rural areas. So there was a lot of friends of mine that we played in the gardens and we played in the playground, which is I think very enjoyable.
Did you had a lot of friends when you were a child?
Yes, sir. I had a lot of friends during my childhood. We were around 8 to 9 friends, and we usually play cricket and football.
Do you still remember any your childhood memory?
Yes, I remember once I was sitting behind the bicycle and my brother was riding it. A bump came in the street, and the bicycle got off balance and we fell down. That memory is still stuck in my mind.
Okay. Do you think these days children are very intelligent as compared to past?
As the modern technologies have grown, the children are getting more capable of grasping things from the internet also. Moreover, the grasping power is increasing by the efforts of parents also. So children are becoming more intelligent nowadays.
Right. Do you think childhood age is the best age of our life?
It varies from person to person, as some people enjoy in the adulthood more than childhood, as some of them are congested in the childhood, introverts. But when they grow up, they start making friends and other things by going out.
With which kind of toys you used to play when you were a child?
I used to play with toys made of wood. As my grandfather was a woodcut. That as my grandfather was very fond of making things of wood. As he loves to give me gifts as gifts made of wood. So I definitely played with them.
Do you still have any of your childhood toy with you?
Yes, I have a tractor which was gifted on my seventh birthday by my grandfather. I played it with a lot.
Okay. Okay, Parmveer, this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round.
Okay.
I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 2. Okay, start.
As many occasions come in individuals' life when there are many people laughing around them, laughing or smiling around them. So here I would like to mention a incident that is my brother's marriage, when everyone was smiling. Starting of the day, when I woke up, everyone was very excited about the day. I talked to my brother. His face was very glowing as he was very excited and charmed about the day. He was thinking of his fiancée, and told me that he is very excited. Then we went off from my home, and we reached my sister-in-law's home. They welcomed us, and when they were performing the rituals of the marriage, they were all smiling as the rituals consisted of some funny moments, as a tray full of water is taken, and some white powder is mixed in it, and a ring is kept in it, and the bride and the groom have to find it. So when they were finding, everyone was smiling, looking at them, and they were also enjoying the scene. When they reached the stage where everyone was looking at them, they seemed very happy, and everyone was very cheerful to see them. So when everything happened and we returned home, my sister-in-law felt very amused on reaching our home. Everyone was watching her as a new couple, and everyone was very excited about it. So everyone was smiling at that time.
Sufficient. Can I get my book back, please?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the end of section 2. Now we move to section 3, which will be your follow-up. I will put you some more questions related to smiling.
Okay, sir.
What are the most common things that make people smile?
The most common things are that when some occasions or some functions that people make smile, everyone felt when everyone is feeling amused and happy, they often smile. Other people, we can say that smile at jokes or some other funny moments.
Do you think people who smile are more friendly?
Of course, the people who smile are more friendly, as the other person who is looking at their smile may consider him as a more friendly, as of more friendly nature. Also, the one who is smiling is more is looking more confident to talk with others. And as I am as I'm smiling every time, I feel myself very confident to talk with others.
Why do you think certain jobs require you to smile and be presentable?
Certain jobs like when we are presenting at the reception, we have to smile. Like other jobs, in the jobs that require smiling, they want to greet. They have to greet people with a smile to have their attention also.
Why do you think the smiling pose is so common in the photos?
Smiling pose is common in the photos as when we see the photos after some time, we remember that we were smiling. We remember that what was the reason that we were smiling, and we can say that we can see everybody's smiling face and can remember the beautiful thoughts of that.
What kind of things make you feel smile?
When some me. What makes me smile is the feeling that when I will make my parents proud, there comes when certain incidents in my life when I made them proud and I smiled a lot.
Do you think a smile gives a good impression to others?
Smile definitely gives a good impression to others, as someone who is seeing a smile may feel very comfortable with the person, and also he may smile to you back.
What do you do to make other people smile?
If I am talking about my parents, they will smile whenever they are happy with me, and whenever we sit in a family gathering, they often smile. Talking about others, I can make a joke or some funny moments which will make them smile.
Okay, Parvati. So this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.